Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 network adapter missing. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Network Adapter. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type netsh space, int space, ipsaps, reset. Restart system. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings, click Network Reset, click Reset Now. Fourth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Network Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fifth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Network Adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.